In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your Tailor. You can use it for garden, you can use it for just doing yard work, and however you want to do it. I'm going to show you different ways of actually using it. I'm going to use my Aaron RT524C for a demonstration, and this is a great Tailor. You can use any Tailor to do what I'm going to do, and I'm going to use it for in the garden and just show you how you can go as deep as you want, or how you can actually use the Tailor to not work you as hard and have it to do all the work. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do, I call this the anchor. I don't know if it's the proper word, but that's what I call it. Now this controls how deep you want to actually till your garden, and it actually plays a big factor in how the movement is going to be with your tiller. So I want to till, let's say I just want to go down about a good 4 inches, 4 to 5 inches in the dirt, and just till the grass over. So what I'm going to do, and like I say, each tiller is totally different. And if you notice, I have earplugs. I believe in using earplugs, even on my lawnmower. I keep that nearby. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually flip up my wheel. And I'm going to pull out the pin that controls the anchor. All right, I'm going to go down about, I say about this far. And if I don't like it, I can always change it. All right, so this is your most important piece right here. This will control your speed, how fast you're going to go, how deep you're going to go. So what I'm going to do, like I said, I really don't want to focus on my tiller, because you may go to Lowe's or anywhere and just Home Depot and just rent a tiller, or you may borrow one from a friend. So I'm not going to spend much time on actually my tiller, although I love my tiller. This is your forward speed right here, and actually this controls your blades. It's going to control your blades. that's it. That's all you have to do. So this is the most important piece of your tiller. This will control how deep you want it, how fast you want to move, and so forth. So your anchor is the most important decision making as to what you want to do with whatever you're doing, whether it's gardening, landscaping, and so forth. This is the key. So, and if you want to actually speed up your movement, only thing you have to do is just raise your handle up a little bit, and it will actually increase in speed. Because keep in mind, you have your cable engaged, so your blades are constantly moving. So that's all there is to it. I want to say be mindful of where you till, and you want to keep an eye on your feet at all times. Make sure you wear shoes with socks. Be mindful of fire ants, because you may be digging up a mound. So you want to keep an eye on your feet at all times. Listen, I hope this video was helpful, and good luck with your gardening, your landscape, whatever you decide to do. This is a great tool to use. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. Take care.